Hello guys, I'm Richie Sonaji and I feel super amazing to have you here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to point a domain name to a different hosting provider, right? It's pretty easy, so by the time you're done watching this video, you will be able to do that with ease, right? So to get to that right, it's pretty easy. What you do is you just follow this easy step. Step number one, go to your domain name provider, like as in where you bought the domain from, right, that you want to change to another one. So you just go. So in my case is Google host, right? So what I want to do is that I bought the domain name, which is so let me go to my domains, right? So I have one domain here. So I bought this domain name from Google host, right? This local hosting company here. So but because of the speed, I want to host somewhere. So to just do that, right? So this is the name here. It's active, so you can see, like, I just bought it yesterday. Yeah, so just click on here. So to change, right, you click on manage domain. So the idea of changing your pointing of domain server is, for example, if you have like a hosting company that provide a specific extension, like for example here you see dym.org.ng, right? So that is the extension. This hosting provider Namecheap don't have that extension, right? So like it's imperative that I buy this Namecheap from a hosting company that provides that, right? Then I'll host it somewhere. So I'm using this because one is affordable and is very fast, and I love their Namecheap because it is fast, reliable, and I love their customer service, how they attend to me, right? So that's why I'm using Namecheap, right? So to just do that, right, you just copy the name server of Namecheap and replace it with the default DNS server of your hosting company. It's pretty easy as that. So to do that, right, so I'm going to come here. So so look at down here, you see change name server for your domain to point to, right? So by default you're supposed to point, if you buy a domain name from your hosting company, it's supposed to point to that hosting company, right? So what we want to do, we want to use custom name server so that it will point elsewhere. So by default this is what is here. So this nsa.googlehost.com. so that's the default, right? So we want to use custom. So what do we use the custom one? We go to Namecheap, right? So we'll have to know the hosting. You have to know your new hosting company. You have to know their DNS server, and to just do that, right, you go to your hosting or you go to your account and you check this, or you can just Google. So alternatively, you can just Google that, right? Namecheap DNS server for shared hosting. You can just Google that, and it's going to bring you here. So it's just, so this is it, right? So it's DNS1 namecheaphosting.com, and the two name server is DNS2 namecheap.com. So you just copy it, right, and you replace it. You just replace it here. So just replace it here. Replace it here, then you replace it here, then the 2, so you just change the 1 to 2, right? You replace it, then you click on save changes. So it's as easy as that. Then you get this congratulations message that changes saved successfully. So guys, that's just how to just do that. So propagation usually takes 24 to 48 hours, so you just have to wait for host and just buy your hosting and enjoy the benefits that come with using Namecheap, right, or your new hosting provider. Okay guys, so that's it, right? So if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would like you to subscribe and share these videos for those that you feel this video is going to benefit them. Thanks for watching, and keep loving. Till next time, bye. Riches.